Hello. I have something that I'm excited to share because I just had a spiritual experience with dancing, dancing in public, dancing at the train. So, kasi yung pagsayaw ko in public, it's a spiritual practice. Um, the way how I started it was first um, having practiced a lot of self-compassion and the skill of being able to not take myself so seriously. I mean, being the skill of being silly, being whimsical, alam mo yun, and basically having this inner child inside of me, nurturing it, na having that playful quality to my life. Kasi buhay yung inner child na yun. And ayun lang, kwento ko lang. Kanina sa LRT, I felt like dancing. Kasi I think it was the caffeine. I drank some Thai milk tea sa studio. I think may magic yung milk tea na yun. Like, ang sarap. And then, ay lang, I felt like dancing. And how my dancing starts, usually may ano siya, may wind up. Like I wouldn't go all out dancing when like I first put on the music, and then like my head would bop first, ganyan, and then like parang alam mo yun, and then the desire to dance, I mean, is there, pero it wouldn't materialize kasi there's fear. So ayun yung process ko ng dancing, kasi may fear muna na I have to face, na I have to meet. And then, of course, like, I think that's the hardest thing. Alam mo, like, it's so, the most embarrassing thing you can do to yourself is to dance in public. Alam mo, ang dami nakatingin, and like, parang, alam mo, the usual na iniisip natin na, oh no, like, they're gonna look at me, what would they think of me, ganyan, ganyan. Diba? And then, alam mo, like, I'm having those thoughts. And then, like, of course, I cannot do it immediately. Kasi nakakahiya. Alam mo yun, grabe nakakahiya. Sayaw ako in public. What? Alam mo yun? Like talaga ba? And then, uh, I think one of the things that made me start doing it, kasi like I came across like something online saying na, I mean, like they're not gonna see you anymore. Like the strangers you see outside. I mean, like that's the first and last time they're gonna see you, and like they won't even remember you. Ganun. And then like even when I was dancing, I mean most of them aren't paying attention kasi like everyone is on their phone. Alam mo yun? And then like the people who do look at me, alam mo yun, like they'll just take a glance. Kasi syempre nakakaya mag-stare. Ganun. And like, oh, what's this person doing? And alam mo yun, and like they're gonna forget it, I don't know, tomorrow, but the next week, and you're like, of course you don't see a person dancing on the train every day. So like, anyways, so yung process ko is um ayun, and so when I want to dance, kasi like it comes from a place na I just really want to dance, and I feel like dancing, pero I'm out in public right now, and like it's actually hard to do, ganun. So like nangagaling ako sa place na yun, and like kanina um ang hirap talaga kasi I haven't done it in a while. And then, alam mo yun, and I was bummed out na I could not dance. And I was just bopping my head, pero kulang eh. And like, alam mo yun, yung tawag ng katawan ko to dance. Alam mo yun, I wanna answer it. Alam mo yun. And I, I could not pressure myself. Alam mo yun, and so like, and it's so magical din na I pulled a card last night, And the card said, um, message. And then, na I was to wait for a message today. Ganyan, like in the form of a text, an email, or anything. And then, it came in the form of a song. And I was listening to, um, this, Afro beat na techno na, and then like something about the African drums. I mean, like, was like something about that, like parang called to me na, parang something like it's safe to just dance. Ganun, like it's safe to let the animal in me, alam mo yun, like that dog in me, let, alam mo yun, like let the love what it loves, alam mo yun. I mean, like, parang that's very, um, ancient desire, alam mo yun, to express to move my body in such a playful way. Alam mo yun, and then like, I took a pause, and I meditated for a little, and then, I thought of like, okay, what if I go down on the next station? Alam mo yun, like, give myself a little less pressure. Kasi like, may mga tao na sa harap ko eh. Like, nung una, I was dancing, nung konti pa lang, like, malayo pa yung mga tao kasi last train na of the night. And then, may tao na sa harap ko, and then, mahirap na. Like, alam mo, sobrang nahiya na ako kasi may tao na sa harap ko. Ganyan. And then, like, I meditated, and then, I listened to my intuition na, okay, like, why don't we go down on the next station? So, I meditated, and then, when I felt the train stop, okay, I stood up, and I went down. And then, ayun, like, I finally let loose kasi walang tao dun sa station na yun. Alam mo yun, like, there was a guard, pero pumunta pa ako, like, a little further para wala ako sa paningin niya. So, like, I had to hide a little. And then, like, I danced. And, like, alam mo, kasi I can't dance alone. Like, it's the easiest thing to do when I'm alone. Like, I could just dance. Ganyan. And then, like, I gave that to myself na, okay, less pressure. I mean, like, just we're gonna dance. And then, I didn't wanna come from pressuring myself. Kasi I already take pride na, wow, I can do that. Alam mo yun, like, I have so much confidence and freedom in myself na I'm not bothered by what other people think. Ganun, like, I take pride in that. And then, like, that voice in me na, okay, you can do it. Alam mo yun, like, parang pinipressure ko yung sarili ko na, kaya mo naman yun eh, ba't di mo magawa? Ganyan. And then, like, I didn't wanna come from that, of course. Like, alam mo yun, the fear was there. The fear was here. And then, I cannot force my way out kasi, alam mo yun, it becomes even more harder, alam mo yun, like, to push. And then when I push back, it just pushes me, alam mo yun, it just pushes back to me, ganun. And then, like, so, like, I cannot go through it. And so, what I've learned, alam mo yun, my practice with, alam mo yun, with meeting my fear, is I meet it with compassion. I meet it softly. And so, actually, nawala ako. May nag-doorbell kasi. Isipin ko muna, wait. Ayun. So, meeting my fear with compassion. So, I cannot force it. Alam mo yan? Kasi, there's a part of myself na ego na yung nagsasalita eh. Na parang, like, parang, that's so impressive, I can do that, ganyan. And then, alam mo yun, and there was, like, parang, desire pa to perform. Alam mo yun, and, like, perform for who? Diba? And then, like, I didn't need to perform for anyone, for anything. And, like, I just wanted to dance because I wanted to dance. That's the point of it. Kasi it's just so fun to do. Alam mo yun. And, like, alam mo yun, I just really felt like dancing. Ganun. And so, balik tayo sa process ko. So, like, when I dance, so, like, I mean, like, low-key muna. ganyan, like parang kunyari kakapasok mo pa lang sa club and like head bopping ka pa lang, ganyan. And then like parang I do a little movement na, ganun. And then uh, and then like that little movement lang muna. Parang I was like wanting to start big by making the big dance moves na I usually do when I'm alone. And then like parang I cannot do it. Alam mo yun, like parang I'm trying to force my way. And then like parang okay, why not let's start small? I mean like let's bop our head lang and like let's move a little na kunyari like low key chill lang ganyan, like tipsy ka pa lang ganun kunyari. And then like alam mo yun, like I was like okay, like this is still enjoyable and like parang something na ayun nga diba, may yung sabi ko na nagwo-wind up muna. And then so ayun, when I got down, I was doing that na parang okay, wind up, uh, dahan-dahan, and then like finally when I was alone, I can do a little more dynamic dance moves. Pero alam mo yun, not yet yung para I wanna lose myself in the dance. Pero like I was still feeling na parang this is so cringe, ganun. Like this is so alam mo yun, like parang embarrassing, ganyan. Pero alam mo yun, like I was just anchored to the fact na it's just so fun to dance and like nothing else matters. I just wanna dance kasi it's fun, ganun. And then alam mo yun, what I was doing, alam mo yun, like parang this was what I was like thinking kanina pa na so beautiful na I was just dancing with my fear. Alam mo yun, na I didn't need to be hard on myself. And like just dancing with my fear. Alam mo yun, like parang dance partner ko yung fear. And then like, I mean, approaching it in such a soft and playful manner. And then, I mean, little by little, yung dance movements ko nagiging mas natural na siya. And like parang, may bigla akong naiimbento na mga dance moves na I don't usually do. Kasi like, parang may mga go-to na dance moves na ako, like kakasayaw mag-isa sa bahay. Like, may mga na-invento ko. And then like, may mga dumarating na bagong dance moves na, alam mo yun, like, and then what I do is I close my eyes. So like, parang, I'm just gonna follow my intuition and follow, like, the rhythm of the music, the rhythm of how my body reacts to the music. Alam mo yun, just like, parang ginaguide ako nung beat. And then, alam mo yun, just, that's when I begin to lose myself and be in a trance-like state na, alam mo yun, yung music na sumasayaw sa akin. Hindi na ako sumasayaw sa music. And then like parang, alam mo yun, like, at that moment na I feel so free. Kasi I finally broken free from my fear. Alam mo yun? Like, I've gone past it and like, I'm genuinely enjoying dancing. Alam mo yun? And then, when I got back on the next train, like, okay, I went inside. And then, the fear came back. Kasi like, oh, alam mo yun, like, if konti lang yung tao, like, I would be able to dance, or if walang tao, the best. Pero may mga tao eh, and then like, okay. And then I chose not to sit. Like, I just stood there in the corner. And then like, okay. Ayun, that's when I realized na, okay, like, let's not start big. Like let's start with something small lang. And then like, let's just follow my intuition. Ganyan, and like, pick a good song. Ganyan. Which was hard kasi wala akong load. So, I only downloaded mga songs. So like medyo mahirap, matagal maghanap pag ganun minsan. And then ayun lang, low key dancing, and then until, alam mo yun, like, of course I was still hampered by the fact na ang daming mga tao pa din eh. Alam mo yun, like, not madami, pero like, alam mo yun, like siguro mga 10 or 20 na spaced apart, ganyan. And then alam mo yun, like, I was dancing na. Like, really, alam mo yun, like, siguro mga 50% dancing, 50% energy na, alam mo yun, like, if you look at me, you would know I'm dancing. Ganun. So, like, And ayun, I think that's the first time I've done that, na ganun kalapit sa mga tao. Na, I guess I've done it in the past na, like while walking, ganun. And like, it feels like I've done it again for the first time kasi it's been a while since I've done it, ganyan. And so, ayun, it's so fun to do. And like, alam mo yun, the metaphor with everything, alam mo yun, with my practice with self-compassion, and like, parang it's so beautiful. And like, alam mo yun, and how amazing it is din na lumabas sa tarot cards ko na this was the message, alam mo yun, alam mo yun, it wasn't like words, it was from the music lang, it was, the message was a feeling, like, alam mo yun, like, that's so amazing, grabe. And alam mo yun, I've just been so attracted to spirals kasi, alam mo yun, a part of me, kasi spirals mean na, alam mo yun, like, it's a symbol of how growth is not linear. And alam mo, like, I thought like, oh wow, I unlocked a new level of confidence, I can dance in public. And then I felt a little disappointment na parang, I can't do it anymore, ganyan, alam mo yan. And like, and I sat with it, I sat with that disappointment. And then, alam mo yun, I honored it. And then, I mean, I honored also na I can be a different person on a different day, and that's okay. And then sometimes, alam mo yun, the desire to dance would come up, and then like, the fear would win, ganyan. But this time, alam mo yun, like, I'm so happy, like, it didn't win this time. Like, I now knew how to face it, alam mo yun. And like, parang like a spiral, alam mo yun, like, parang I go back to this lesson again of facing my fear, alam mo yun, like, I mean, like, I feel like I'm learning it deeper, ganun. And like, it's such a fun adventure na, I mean, I look at this as such a fun adventure na I get to learn how to deal with my fear, alam mo yun. And so, ayun, yeah. And like even like starting this recording, alam mo yun, like, usually I would like procrastinate for days before I started, but like, I haven't even dressed, like, I just got home from the studio, and like, I started it immediately as I went home, but like, not before, like, I had to like dissolve a few fears, and like, I had to a few perfectionisms of like, I wanna set up the slides, so like, alam mo yun, like, and then like, and then ayun, yeah, like, I just took a few breaths, like, I took a few breaths, and then ayun, yeah, like I was saying, meeting the fear with self-compassion. So ayun, yeah, like, I feel like I could end my, ano yun, my rant here, and like, parang, wow, like, it was so good lang, it was so fun. Yeah, so ayun, yeah, thank you for listening, and okay, bye bye.